Hi friends, I am Advocate Namish Nigotia and you are watching my YouTube channel Legal Advice for Everyone. Friends, in our country, in civil cases, a procedure is very lengthy and sometimes a civil suit takes years and years to get decided. So generally a query is being asked by the clients, litigants, juniors, young lawyers that why it takes years and years to decide a civil suit. The answer is very simple, that all civil proceedings has to follow a procedure and procedure is laid down in the code of civil procedure. If any litigant wants to file a suit, he is known as the plaintiff. So first he has to file a suit before the competent civil court. Then it will go for scrutiny in the office of the court. The office of the court will do a office report and the next date is fixed for office report. The clerk or the court master, as per the guidance or under supervision of the honorable judge, used to do office report basically based on three things: jurisdiction, court fees and period of limitation. Then a next date is being fixed and the court used to issue summons and notices. The summons, then a next date is fixed and the summons or notices is required to be served upon the defendant. It can be served either from the registered post or through a process server. Then other next date is fixed. Then if the summon used to serve upon the defendants, next date is fixed for appearance of the defendants. Defendants used to appear before the court and sought time for filing return statement. So another adjournment is being given for filing return statement by the defendant. Many times it happens that if the suit is barred by any law, defendant, instead of filing return statement, they used to file an application under Order 7, Rule 11 if required in the Code of Civil Procedure. Thereafter, the defendant sought time for contesting the application. The plaintiff also used to reply the application. Then the court first has to decide the application under Order 7, Rule 11. Thereafter, another next date is being given and the court fix the next date for filing return statement by the defendant. Then on the next date, the defendant required to file a return statement along with all the documents and copy is being provided to the plaintiff. The next step is filing rejoinder. If the plaintiff wants to file the rejoinder under Order 8 Rule 9, the court used to provide plaintiff an opportunity to file the rejoinder. Thereafter, another next date is fixed for framing of the issues. Issues are being framed under Order 14 Rule 1 of the Code of Civil Procedure. Issues means a point of dispute between the plaintiff and the defendant. After framing of the issues, the court used to provide a next date for plaintiff evidence. Plaintiff used to file his affidavit or affidavit of the witnesses, and the counsel of the defendant is being provided an opportunity to cross-examine the plaintiff and his witnesses. And it takes sometime 5 dates, 7 dates, 10 dates, because many times court schedules are busy for hearing of the other cases. Then, after completion of the plaintiff evidence, the opportunity is being given to the defendant to lead his evidence. Then, defendant may appear himself as an evidence or he may produce witnesses, and the opportunity is being given to the counsel of the plaintiff for cross-examination the witnesses of the defendants. Next date are being given, and sometime it may be given 5 dates, 7 days, 10 dates in completion of the defense evidence. Many times, before final arguments, the plaintiff, either party, the plaintiff or the defendant, used to file the applications. The application can be for amendment of the pleadings under Order 6 Rule 17 of the Code of Civil Procedure, for framing additional issues under Order 14 Rule 1, for filing documents by the plaintiff under Order 7 Rule 1, for filing application documents by the defendants under Order 8 Rule 1(3), then miscellaneous applications for seeking interim order or interlocutory order under Section 151 of the Code of Civil Procedure, and many other types of applications. And each application is being contested by the opposite party. They used to file a reply to that application, arguments is being heard, and it used to be decided, adjudicated by the court. Thereafter, the turn comes for arguments, and sometime 2-3 dates are fixed for final arguments. Final arguments under Order 18 Rule CPC. First, the counsel of the plaintiff is being given an opportunity for final arguments. They used to file return submissions. Then the counsel of the defendant used to file the return submissions. Then they used to do final oral arguments by both the counsels. Then both the counsels are being given opportunity for filing the judgments. Again, the next date is being given. Then the court used to pronounce the judgment. Sometime because of its busy schedule, court takes 2 or 3 times or dates for pronouncement of judgment. Then another dates are being given. Then again the court, after pronouncement of judgment, has to frame a decree. Sometime another date is being given. So because of this procedural law, the civil case used to take years and years. So hopefully we all wants that this procedural law should be curtailed so that the litigants can get the judgment in a short period of time. Thank you, friends.